Now we're gonna feed the apples to the cows. Hold up. Hey, let's get. I think he can eat it. This cow just ate it.
Oh, he ate the apple?
Yeah, he's eating it. Yeah, he just ate it. Yeah. Alright. Hey, hold an apple. Here. Oh my God, my bad.
This is a little bit harder.
Don't worry. I'll take it. Is it good? Hey, don't take the peel off.
Oh, they eat with the
Oh, they can do that? Hey, I'm scared with the horse. I feel like the horses have like sharp teeth. Hey, I'll just throw it to the horse. Hey, yo, I'll just give it to you here. Take that. I feel like it's gonna bite me. I don't want a horse to bite me. Pretty sure those hurt bad. I'll give it to that one. Here. Hey, I got you, bro. So a chicken there. Oh. I'll give you the horse another one. Hey, you didn't eat it. Bro.
You have to put it on.
Oh my God, my bad. Bro.
Okay. Stop
Hey, I
in the
got
video.
it.
Okay.
That's fine. Yeah.
Give it to me.
We're gonna move on to the carrots.
Carrots are easier to see.
Yeah, I think they can just grab it like that. Okay. Here, one for you. Come here. I'll give it to the horse. Oh, shit. Where's the horse? Horse! Hey! Come over there. Let me give it to the baby. Oh, shoot, my bad. I didn't know I was recording. My bad. Alright. One second. Where's the carrot? Oh, there's it. There it is. Wait, there's some more apples, actually. What? There's more apples. You didn't tell me that. Hey, I'm scared of the horse, bro.
Yeah, don't feed the horse. In fact, just feed the horse. No, here.
Huh? I'll throw it?
No, let me give him.
Alright.
Hold on. Do this. Look at this.
Because I have the apple. The apple's harder to feed the horse. Take it. Hey, bro. Oh, you're still eating. My bad. And this one, like, oh, now you ready? Oh, shoot. But I'm already giving it to him, so it's fine. Take it, bro.
Yeah, perfect.
See, that one's like,
Hey,
give me a carrot. Give me a carrot. Oh, give me a carrot. All right, take the carrot. Take the carrot, bro. Oh, shoot. Look at the chickens, bro. Look at that guy. Look at the way he's looking. Okay. There's one over there. Hey, boy. Or girl. The chickens, they just keep coming in and out, bro. They were following us all the way over there. See, there's still a few. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. I want to see if the goats eat them. Hey, LeBron. LeBron. LeBron, over here. You like that, LeBron? Oh my God. Yo, LeBron is devouring that. Guys, this is, by the way, I just met LeBron here. This is LeBron. Let me see. Hey, who's you? Who are you? You're not Michael Jordan, because Michael Jordan not to go. Kobe, take this. Take that, yeah.
Horses are messy eaters. Like,
Yeah. Oh, Wembenyama, take this. Man, this guy's big. Golly. Man, yeah, take this. Golly, man. Hey, don't be on my finger. I'll give one more. I'll give one more apple, and then I'll end the video. I'll give it to I'll give it to LeBron. Hey, LeBron, you eat these? And I don't think LeBron was gonna eat those ones actually. Who are you? Who are you? Tim Duncan. You eat this, Tim Duncan? Yo, Tim Duncan, you're not eating this, bro. Hey, my bad, bro. Hey, look at this. Hey, Tim Duncan's not eating that.
You're really good at feeding the apple share, yeah?
Yeah, but this one's like, he eats differently. This one eats differently. So like, here, take it. This one, I don't know why he eats like that. Man, I got it. Bro.
Oh my God.
Bro. Hey, we gotta keep going, bro. Hey. This one, hopefully yeah, there it is, yeah. Oh, I didn't even show y'all this. My bad. Give more apple. Tim Duncan, eat the apple. Hold up, 1 second. Oh my God, Duncan! Oh wait, no, you're not Tim Duncan. It's fine. I'll still give you it. He doesn't want it. 1 second. Let me give one to Tim Duncan, and we'll go. You're the best player on my favorite team, man. Bye, Tim Duncan. One for everyone, and then we'll end the video. Trust me. Wait, let me give you it up here. These cows are a bit shorter. See that crunch? These are babies. Here, baby. Here, baby cow.
Remember, that's the baby that was born the last time.
Oh, yeah. She's grown so big. Baby cows. Here. Take it. Oh, no. You can eat that, right? Alright, there's one more to, this guy, even though he's already eaten one. Multiple, actually. He's big. Alright, one more, and then we'll end the video. One more to the baby. Baby cow. Baby cow. Oh, shoot, my bad. I didn't even know I was recording there. Baby cow. Yo. Yo.
These are a little bit more sober and
Yeah.
easier to feed.
It's not what sober means.
So let him finish it.
Alright, my bad. You want, bro? I don't want one. After you finish. Man, alright.
Let them eat.
So I'm gonna end the video now. Bye.